cool thing about riding your bike is you see so much from street level. Here I am behind the orange curtain, super urbanized. But what do we got? We got some chickens. No hens, just cocks. What you guys doing over there? There we go. California king snake. I'm shepherding him off here. These guys kill rattlesnakes. Very cool. Need to get off the bike trail, dude, or you can die. Right? Right? Whoa! Not happy about being touched. Look at how he shakes his tail. Like a rattlesnake. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool. Hey dude, I'm pretty sure you're not a rattlesnake. So, you best beat it, man. Beat it. Get off the trail. Come on, off the trail, dude. I know you're a king snake. You can still bite me, I guess. I don't like that. Come on, off the trail, dude. Off. Off the trail, man. Come on. You're gonna get run over by a bike. I don't feel like getting a nasty bite by a pissed off snake, even though he's not venomous. You know, in the old days I was a croc hunter kind of guy. Ever since the croc hunter took a... Come on, man. Off the trail. Off the trail, dude. Really. Serious, man. Get off of the trail. Get off of the trail. There you go. Nice job. Woo, look at him go through there. Look at him go. Could have done my best croc hunter there and grabbed him, but I'm not good at that. Ever since Steve Irwin got up with a stingray. There goes a Canadian geese. Going south for the winter. Yeah, look at those. Canada geese here. When you going to Canada, guys? Huh? Are you just hanging out in California? Yeah, I know you like California. Everybody likes California. What's saying, man? Woo! Away he goes. Quit bugging me. Trying to sneak on by that heron without me seeing it. Look at those. Got some pretty cool little yellow feet there. And stuff. I don't know if that's a lesser heron, white heron. I'm not sure. Definitely a heron with a black beak, though. Doesn't seem too afraid of me. And that little headdress you can see blowing in the wind a bit. Hanging out in Orange County, behind the orange curtain. It's a white pterodactyl. Look at him go. Such maneuverability. And his little friend. Camera here, what you doing? What's up? Oh, I won't do nothing to you, don't worry. I'm just taking a little video. Red-tailed hawk, I think. Chickens are out. Hope they don't cross the road. Alright? Alright? Don't want those chickens to cross the road. You aren't thinking about crossing the road, are ya? Because there's some cars coming. And a big truck. Why did the chicken cross the road? And the answer is, he didn't. Ah!